Hi guys, this video will show you how to download and install Microsoft Office for PC so you can use Office for work as well as study. The steps to download and install Office are: 1. Download the Office deployment tool. 2. Download the Office configuration file. 3. Setup. The first is to download the Office deployment tool. You open the web browser, type in Office deployment, and the keyword appears. You'll see the results, and you'll go to the Office deployment tool of Microsoft. The download page appears, you leave the default to English, then click on the download box to download. The machine will download. Next, you need to download the Office configuration. If you open a new tab, then enter it from Office configuration, it will appear automatically from the key Office configuration tool. And then you click select. At the results of Google, you choose Microsoft with the line Office customization tool. It'll take you to the page to load. There are two versions for you to download, 32-bit and 64-bit. How many bits are you installing? Click on that version. If you don't know how many copies you're installing, you open the File Explorer, select this PC, right-click Properties, and then you'll find information about your computer. In the system type, if your 64-bit computer is the same as yours, it's installing a 64-bit version. Otherwise, we're installing a 32-bit version. Once you have information about the 32-bit or 64-bit version, you go back to the download option. I'm installing a 64-bit version. Next, you choose the Office version in the Office Suites box. You have the versions, and you pick Office Professional 2021 as you do. Then drag down, go to Apps, and the apps that you leave on will be installed and those that you leave off will not. Depending on which app you use, that you can tick on or off. So the more you install, the harder it gets, like we just choose basic applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. and choose Next. The language item is choose United States and choose Next. The remaining items, you just leave the default, then select Next. Finally, choose the Finish to finish. After the setup, it will display your settings on the right. Next, you click Select on Export. To export the file, a table will appear, you select the first item, keep the current setting, and select OK. It will appear in the export table, and then you will tick the Accept box. Then select the export item. Then the computer will load the file again. You can check the downloaded files in the download section of the machine. Next, you open the C drive folder, then create a folder and rename it to Office 2021. You go back to the download folder, choose the newly downloaded files. Office deployment tool and configuration, choose Cut to move back to the C drive, and open the newly created folder named Office 2021. Then, click the right mouse button to select Paste. Then the two files were transferred. Now you click Select to File Office deployment tool and right-click to select Run as Administrator. When the notification appears, you select Yes. Then tick this box, then choose Continue. It will show you the search for storage drives. And then you can select the Office 2021 folder that was created on the C drive. And select OK. It will load the files back, a successful message will appear, and you will select OK. Once the files are loaded, prepare for installation. When you click on the search item in the window, enter the word CMD. Next, you click the command prompt, select Run as Administrator, and you choose Yes to continue. You need it right now. Enter the command to install. You enter from cdc:/Office 2021 and then press Enter to enter the Office 2021 directory. When you enter Office 2021 folder, then enter setup.exe/configure configuration.xml and press Enter. If it is wrong, then it is correct. When you enter correctly, the Office setup window will appear. right now. All you have to do is wait for the installation to be done. Installation takes about 10 minutes. And it's done. You choose clocks to complete. After the installation, the Office applications are already installed. You open the application. Display the Microsoft notifications. Then you select Accept, then select Close to close the notification. Check that the Account section is enabled. You can configure Permanent Office, fully functional. So I taught you how to install Office. If you see or like it, share and subscribe to the channel. I want you to support me. Hello, and see you again.